Hey, business owners, in the next 30 seconds, I'm gonna show you how to crush your sales using Kenji CRM. So go ahead and see the overview.
Hello, business owners and salespeople. If you haven't been using Kenji, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Right here, you can see all of your pipeline value, how much money you're about to make, your closed deals, your open deals, and your lost deals. Right here, you can see all the chats with multiple people. Right here, we can see our CRM, our actual opportunity section, where we can drag and drop people to different stages in the sales. Right here, we have a ton of tools that a lot of our clients are saving a ton of money on. For example, campaign follow-up creation. We can follow up using text message, emails, automated call. Kenji functions as a dialer as well. We can do a voicemail drop. I mean, we can do a lot of things with Kenji. We can send email newsletters. We can do bulk requests, so it can save us time. We can do trigger links. We can have separate links on the side, and we can track every single link and when people are actually clicking on it, right? Pretty awesome stuff. We also have a form builder. Earlier today, I created a whole application, a loan application with signature in it using this. We have I'm way ahead of myself. We have survey builders. You can build a survey and ask people questions. You have a SMS and email templates. You have HTML builder right here. You can build anything using Kenji. All these tools are separate tools that other companies will charge you separately, right? We have analytics, Facebook ads reporting, attribution reports. We have call reporting. If you're making calls out of Kenji, it will track every single call, and you can make calls right from here, right? Cool. So you also have scheduling. You don't have to pay another person for a calendar. You have it right here. You can have unlimited calendar with unlimited users. You have all your calendars and appointments right over here. And also, you don't have to pay for reputation management. You have all of your reviews right here. You can respond. You can send people review requests using this right here, and you can just hit send review request. All of your leads are in one spot, and what I love about Kenji is that you can pretty much bulk text message or bulk email everybody by just clicking on this and clicking on selecting all records, and you can email or send a text with a few clicks of a button. Unbelievable, right? So websites and funnels, you probably have funnels from ClickFunnels or something. You can migrate them easily by creating a new funnel and actually, let's take this away, and you can just create a new step and just put your ClickFunnel right here and then copy your funnel. And you have a website. You can create unlimited websites. You can create unlimited membership areas, right? And so on. We don't have any cap on users like other softwares. We don't have cap on calendars. We don't have cap on anything. Everything is yours to use. Automation, if you have issues using Zapier and you're zapping all these tools together, this will automate everything in Kenji seamlessly, okay? And we're gonna go over that. There's more videos, but this is supposed to be a short overview. And then we have a chat widget. I'm not going to go over this online listing because it's just a very basic information about your online Google listing. And then right here we have a chat widget. You know how sometimes there's these websites and there's like a little chat person right there waiting to chat with you? This is exactly what this is for, and it allows you to input this widget in your website, in your funnels, just like there is one on the kenjicrm.com. You can go ahead and check it out. And then lastly, we have our support videos and our support team at the very bottom, and also our support Facebook group that you should definitely check out when you first get Kenji CRM. All right, so that's it for this overview. I hope you guys learned a little bit about Kenji. There is more videos that's accessible for everybody to see online. Like I said, this is the chat widget that we have, and then you can pretty much start a conversation with Kenji and then there's a ton of videos, there's a ton of values in here. So go ahead and give Kenji a try. It will amaze you, it will help you with your business, and I'll see you guys.